How's it going? All right, day one at CES, and I'm gonna start at, can you see the sign? Eureka Park. This is where they do like grad student projects, Kickstarters, tiny little businesses that are just barely getting going. This is the stuff that I think hopefully will be very innovative, but doesn't always make it to market. Let's check it out. This is one of my favorite products that I've found so far. This is a desktop vacuum form machine. You put your whatever you want to replicate on the board, and it heats up, and it smashes down a plate of HIPS material that can be up to 3 millimeters thick. So you can make a pretty strong mask or whatever else out of it. They're going to do a Kickstarter in a few months. Their retail price is probably going to be about $2,000. It'll be cheaper on Kickstarter. I'm going to have to ask Mrs. Z's about getting one of these. That thing is pretty cool. It's got to get to 160 Celsius. And there it goes. Do I need one? No. Do I want one? Yes. This is a smart mosquito detector. So it uses a webcam to show you where the mosquito is in the house so you can go get it. It shines a laser, I think, on the mosquito. Okay, I like this. The best part about this is that it all works on your own device. But I can't buy a Raspberry Pi and just download this and put it on there, right?
So
not yet. How do I get it? I have to buy it? The cool part about that is it's on device, and it's on a cheap device like a Raspberry Pi. And they've actually even used it in cars as well. They're comparing it with other devices that are cloud-based. Theirs is on the right, and the cloud one is on the left. You can see there's like no latency in theirs versus the other one. But the problem is it's not open source, and you can't just download it and use it right now. You have to buy it from them. Okay, this one wins the Skynet Award for being the most terrifying device. It's a security bot. It's got cameras that recognize images and people and whatever else. It's completely autonomous. It just roams around at the shopping mall. What they're showing on their display here is a live image from a shopping mall. Looks like it's the middle of the night. There's a guy cleaning the floors. Does it come with machine guns and lasers? You can't do that? Oh, man. No machine guns and lasers for now.
To give you an introduction of our new product, it's called Upa. Very cute name. Let's say on this beautiful, beautiful desktop, I want to have a power source here. All I need to do is place here. I got a power.
Oh.
And the power's on.
So what is this? Batteries in here? And he says, no way, wireless power.
Because all you need to do is you decide where you want to have it, stick it underneath the desk, in whatever location you want, and then when you place it, then Upa just gives the power you need. That's a beauty.
That is perfect.
And empowered by SWR Smart Wireless Power Technology.
This is our 12-volt option here. It's actually the same product as Upa, so we have a transmitter on this side of the glass. It's sending wireless power through this low-E window. The receiver on this side, we have a pair of spotlights hooked up here. And you can basically, with wireless power, you have the freedom to rotate it. You can do different angles and so forth. The wire power is not interrupted. You can even insert objects in here, like your hand. It's completely safe. You can put different objects in there as well.
That is quite the distance between those two already.
That's right, you can turn
really
it.
Thick.
Yep, so this is 24 millimeter of glass. You can see we can do that at a different angle, still maintain, but eventually it's gonna drop off when it gets too far. So you can do this. So we got some spatial freedom here. So now I pull it away, it will drop off the power.
Eventually it does.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
You gotta take this.
So tell me about what you got here.
Yeah, this system is designed for helping doctors on depression diagnosis. Because today, doctors has no weapon. They can only ask some questions, follow the guideline based on their experience to make decision. So we build this system. It can record the EEG data, that means your brain wave, and analyze with AI algorithm to generate assessment report just like this. The green spot here, that's the assessment result. And the dark zone, that's a dangerous zone, so it is very easy to understand how far away from depression. So with this report, doctor can explain to the patient more easily and also provide more accurate assessment result.
Very cool.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thanks.
Thank you. All right, these guys are the ones that are making the little gesture sensor. So he's got his fingers there over his sensor, and he's using it to shoot the zombies up there. So that's got a lot of potential for different applications, even smart home stuff too. And they've got a little dongle. You can stick it in your smartphone, and it will let you do things like, for now, control music and such. See, the dial is rotating. But it's a small little sensor that does I²C and can do really fine gesture sensing. So a lot of potential applications for that. Very cool. Okay, this is gonna sound funny, but it actually isn't. This is a smart diaper. It's for adults, and it's got a little sensors in the diaper that can let a caregiver know when it's dirty and needs to be changed, but it also analyzes fluids that it finds in the diaper and gives feedback or information to the doctors. So this is actually really cool. It's a funny thing, like, oh, it's a smart diaper, but it's actually really cool, really smart, and could be really helpful to a lot of people. Not me, though. Not ever. Got to give an honorable mention to this app that, instead of showing how you look when you're older, it shows you how you look when you're skinny. This is a projection on a mostly transparent material, which is no big deal with a normal projector, right? But this projector is down there. So it's this tiny little thing, and it's making that image there. The problem with doing it with the big projectors is you get in the way, or something gets in the way of the projector and messes up the illusion. But this is so tiny, just sits down right by the screen, makes it a lot harder to mess it up. This is another one of these machine vision systems, and it looks really good, and it does say open source, so I'm excited about it. They've got different little webcams here. It's a bit of a zoo right here, so I can't get a lot of information. The hardware that they're selling right now is $3,000 to $6,000 each. So maybe not quite ready for the DIY smart home. But there's sure plenty of this machine vision stuff going on today. This is a big theme down here, is this machine vision. Tons of companies doing this. And this is a headphone system with a subwoofer that you wear on your chest. That's got to feel pretty good. This is a really expensive linear actuator for your sliding glass door. It's a great idea. That's why we already did it. These guys also get an honorable mention from me. They have something they're calling the cassette, and it's modular housing. So it's like a storage unit that they can stack together like Legos and make an apartment complex or something like that. You can imagine all the times that would be useful. I think it's a genius idea. And this is the place where we highlight genius ideas. All right, so tell us about the Pocket Pro.
So we've got the Pocket Meter and the Pocket Pro.
Yeah.
So this is a fully functional multimeter oscilloscope and logger. It's all in one. So basically what it's doing is consumerizing and simplifying test equipment. Then you can go into oscilloscope mode, which is giving people a lot of functionality that they can't usually afford. So that's for sale already, but just this year we've done the Pocket Pro, which is doing 600 volt, 10 amp. So a lot of people love that, but this is only 60 volt. They wanted to go and do all the mains electronics in their home. They can test mains.
Now, can you measure current with the small one?
Yeah, you can measure current, but this is only up to 2 amps.
Okay.
So this is why this one's up to 10 amps. So this one's currently on Indiegogo for $95. It'll be shipping in June, and then after that it'll be $135 US.
Okay.
This one is currently $89, shipping today, and that's on our website at pocketmeter.com.
Well, that's it. Day one at CES 2020, Eureka Park, home of all the newest, craziest stuff that you may never see in the market. That was a lot of fun. Saw some pretty cool things. Tomorrow, it's on to some of the big boys at the main convention center. That's all for now. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, adios. If you need help or want to chat with me or others who also enjoy projects like this, you can find us on Facebook and Discord. If you like what I'm doing and you want to support me, you can use my special product links in the video description, or head over to Patreon, or just like and share my videos. That's easy. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, this box will take you to a playlist of some of my favorites. In addition to videos like this, I also do live streams every Sunday. This box will take you to a recording of the latest live stream. That's all for now. Adios.